In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a book as an audio on StoryGraph. Start by opening the StoryGraph app. Once you're on the home page, you will see a list of your books. You can either select one from here or use the search bar at the top of the screen to look for a specific title. After finding your book, tap on its cover to open its full details. To mark this book as an audiobook, you'll need to switch to its audiobook edition. On the Books page, look for and tap on the View Editions option. You'll first see your current edition, including its format, such as hardcover or paperback. Scroll down the list of available editions until you find one that lists audio as the format. You can confirm it's the audiobook version by checking that it lists hours or minutes instead of page numbers. Once you find the audiobook edition, tap on the three dots located under the book's description. Then select the option Switch to this edition. Once you do this, your book will be updated to reflect the audiobook version. Go back to your homepage and you'll now see the audiobook edition of your selected book has been added. And that's how you can mark a book as audio on StoryGraph.